Hello and welcome. I'm found this an Amiga Commodore A500 Plus. It's not complete. It's missing enter key and missing some parts here in the back. And this have been laying around in cold weather. What I can see so far is you get some nice gold pins to a insert card that has been here, and we might have some aluminum and some nice gold things in here. So I'm gonna start taking it apart and gonna show you what's inside it. And I know I haven't the cleanest apartment. I have stuff on the floor, and we got electric screwdriver, and then we have some bits. We have a lot of Phillips screw heads on here. So I will take it apart and then I will show you. Now it's taken apart, the Amiga A500 Plus. Not very much in it for a normal scrapper as me that can sell gold boards. We have some cast aluminum. We have some two small CBMs. Copper bearing motors. And then we have some tin, and then we have some screws on a rare earth magnet. I collect my screws on it because then they keep together. Then we have from under the keyboard we have some silver mylar. For you that is into it, the silver, and can sell it. I really can't sell this in Sweden because I don't have found a good buyer in Sweden. I can ship it to Germany if I want, but then it's a question about what it should cost. And then we have some gold plated pins on this board from the floppy drive. Not very much gold on it, what I can see. It's the pins. And then we have some chips. I don't know if it's the ones that contain gold or not. I'm not really into the whole gold thing, even that I save the boards. And then we have a normal board with some ceramic capacitors. I don't really know if it's the one that contains gold or not. And then we have the big board. We have some gold pins, gold finger here, some nice gold fingers. Then we have a lot of ceramic capacitors. I don't know if it contains any gold in them. Gold pins. And then we have where the all VGA contacts are. You have gold pins for screens, printer, and things like that. And then we have some plastic. Not a lot in Amiga that you can see. And then we have a small bits of copper, and then we have small bits of brass. Not really afford to scrap by my word, but you have to ask yourself if it's worth for you to put it down in bits. So this was the video about Amiga A500 plus scrapping, what's inside it. Share, comment, rate and subscribe. See ya on another video.